Insuring a car for your elderly parent is more than just a routine task. It's about ensuring their safety and peace of mind. I recently had to go through this process with my own parent, and it made me realize just how important it is to get the right coverage tailored to their specific needs. First, I took the time to really understand my parents' driving habits. I asked questions about how often they drive, whether it's just around town or on longer trips, and even checked on their driving record. This step is crucial because it helps in determining not only the type of coverage they need, but also the amount. For instance, if they're only driving occasionally, comprehensive coverage might be more important than collision. Next, I had to make some decisions about the specific types of coverage. It wasn't just about picking the basics like liability. I also had to think about whether additional options like roadside assistance or rental car coverage would be useful. For an elderly driver, these extras can offer real peace of mind, knowing they won't be stranded if something goes wrong. One pleasant surprise was discovering that many insurance companies offer discounts specifically for senior drivers. My parent had a spotless driving record, so we were able to take advantage of a safe driver discount. And by bundling the car insurance with their home insurance, we saved even more. It really pays to ask about these opportunities. As we worked through the details, I also took the time to discuss my parents' health and mobility. These conversations weren't easy, but they were necessary. Understanding any health issues that might impact their driving helped us choose a policy that would adequately cover potential risks. It's not something anyone likes to think about, but being proactive can prevent bigger problems down the road. Finally, I realized how important it is to regularly review the policy. As my parents' driving habits change, so might their insurance needs. We plan to revisit their coverage annually to make sure it still makes sense for them. Going through this process taught me that insuring a car for an elderly parent is about more than just finding the right policy. It's about caring for their well-being and ensuring they have the support they need on the road. By taking the time to assess their unique situation, you can make sure they have the protection they deserve, giving both of you peace of mind.